Hey everyone, this is Ananta, and I'll be showcasing my platform dartpick.com. It's basically a platform that would allow smart shopping with AI recommendations. And I am presenting as a cohort 7 member in AI Makerspace. So the problem, if you look into the current shopping scenario, most of the shopping is done through online. Uh, but because it's online, there are there's overload of information, too many products, too many noise. The reviews on the products are also scattered, and there are biasness on various review websites and reviewers. So the prices also vary widely across vendors, and there's not a single place to combine trust, price, and personalization. So this is where the vision comes in. So I wanted to build something kind of like a AI shopping copilot that would understand users' goal, uh, surfaces through all the previous recommendations on crowdsourced websites like Reddit, and also find the product, and also find the pricing, also compare the pricing, so also compare the real-time pricing of the products from various vendor sites, and kind of like give you a quick summary of on how, whether you should buy the product or wait or maybe consider any kind of alternative in the market. So the key features are with this platform is like we have multiple retrievers. That was part of my certification challenge. We still have that there. We have pricing enrichment agent. We also have it. Also, the platform also suggests users to either buy, wait, or maybe alternative to alternate decisions. The platform uses server-side events to transmit all the information from backend to the front end in real time. And also, there is a way you can add affiliate links within the platform itself. So for the dartpick.com, we are using LangGraph with LangChain. This is being used to create an agentic workflow. We are also using OpenAI GPT-4o plus text embedding model for LLM and semantic search. We are also using Tavily API to get the pricing information and the vendor offers that users can get. The main application is built using FastAPI, and a lot of information is transmitted through server-side events in real time. The front end is built using React. The UI library is called ChatCN UI. That is built on top of Tailwind CSS for the front end. So this is a quick, this is a small system, and so this is a kind of like how dartpick.com is built. So we have the front end stack and we have the back end stack. For the front end stack, it is built using React and Vite. The application is built and deployed on Cloudflare. So Cloudflare server is serving all the static bundle of the front end. The backend is built using FastAPI. As of now, I'm using my local backend. This is yet to be deployed. I still need to fix few security issues before deploying it to prod. But right now, front end is accessible through dartpick.com, and backend just locally. And yeah, one of the main endpoints it's being used is called slash recommend slash stream. So whenever a client makes a push request there, the server is going to throw a lot of events to the client to showcase the status of where the workflow is being ran. We also are using Reddit to get few to get a lot of subreddit summaries, information, recommendations, posts and stuff, comments. Right now, I have a set of huge JSON file that has a lot of these reviews and recommendation posts, comments, upvotes, and all those information. And we're using that to recommend products. We are also using OpenAI models, and we are also using the Tavily API for getting vendors and pricing information. Coming to the agentic workflow architecture, uh, whenever the user makes a request to recommend stream with the goal, it will be sent to the goal analyzer. The goal analyzer will map out all the goals with the mock data we already have. So in future, it will be kind of like in the database. So it will try to map out information from the post summary, and then that post will be used by the LLM model to recommend to get more context out. It is sent to the AI spec builder, so it will normalize the goal. It will get budget, priorities, constraint, persona. Try to get a persona out. That is so that data will be sent to a retriever node. That retriever node will send to a pricing enricher that uses the Tavily API to get the offers, best offers. There will be AI attribute extractor as well. There will be AI decision maker, which would allow users to kind of like make up their mind, and there will be our final synthesizer. So yeah, this is an agentic workflow. So differentiation. So this platform is not just a price tracker, but it adds a layer of community trust. So this is not just a rack demo, but it will add real commerce context. The platform will have a cart button where the users can kind of like add items, and maybe in future we should be able to implement the agentic payment workflow from Visa. And it is modular. So right now, the first node is will get information through Reddit. We can add another node to get information through all of these publicly sourced websites, and maybe use the API to make it more feasible and scalable. So let me quickly give down the quick run of dartpick.com. If I go here, the website is hosted over here, and then smart shopping with AI and recommendations, and we have some of the few features that I'm currently working on. We are targeting this for a product release by the end of December this year. So yeah, that's the goal. But whenever the user comes in, they click here. I'll also showcase the background of how things are working. I might say, hey, I want an espresso setup under $1,000, like this. Then I'm gonna kind of like send the request. Now it will kind of like go through all the nodes that I've defined, I've showed earlier, and it will kind of like send the real-time status of how much things are and all the data. So it recommended few products over here. It says Breville Bambino Plus. It's an espresso machine. Somehow it is getting the wrong data for the pricing. It's $4.99, but it is showing $41.67. But yeah, you can also get other vendor pricing from Amazon, Walmart. Over here you can click on add to cart, and also you can add to cart over here, and it will be added to the cart over here, and you'll also get all the affiliate links and stuff. Now it will also kind of like give you the AI summary, and it's like, here's a response for espresso setup on 1,000. Here are some of the great recommendation. It went through the reviews that we have in a huge JSON file, and then it got few items and got kind of like all the information from there. It also recommended like for espresso mesh setup under 1,000. Here are some of the recommendations, and then it did that. So yeah, this is a quick demo on dartpick.com. Yeah, we are planning on releasing this application to prod. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much.